continuation if we get that with a dot. There's the pound yen. I missed the entry. I couldn't swing this across enough. But we'll mark it as a winner because it was a perfect trade. Next week we'll have all of the, look at this, dot with alert. And what we may have to do is make 2 or 3 superdomes, so we don't have to rotate one in a rapidly moving market. It's still moving down. It just shows the power of the system. Still moving. Dot, alert, entry. What we'll do tomorrow is we'll put up 2, maybe 3 NDTs. Put them on 3 separate instruments. It'll make it much easier to rotate. Look at this move. Now, if we had an extra dome, 30 pips. It's the move of the week. There's the dot. It's the pound Canadian. You're selling on a down close on the pound Canadian. Order's canceled. See if we get another dot. We've got a entry into the downside. We're filled. First target. Here we go. Target's filled. We're moving down. Cash register's going. Keep going. Keep going. Okay, we're out of the trade. Another winner already. $13 pips. All right, where are we signaling here? Pound US and it's close. There's the dot. We're into the downside. were filled. We're going to close on an up close. In case this one goes against us, it'll markedly limit our loss. It's a real poorly moving market. I took the trade out. We'll take a small loss. We'll take the 4 pip loss. This market's moving terrible. And it may ultimately come back and give us a winner. But the market's just moving so bad. Let's just get out of it. We're going to sell on a down close. It's the Euro JPY, Euro Yen. We're in. We're filled. Come on, go. There we go. Come on. Come on. Come on, go. We're going to close on an up close. The candle breaks to the upside. It's that low pivot that's holding the trade up. All right, we just took a very small loss. The trade could not break that low pivot. Right here. 3 pips. To green. That's the strongest upground bias. It's unusual to see that happen as a candle moves down, but it can happen because we're looking at multi-time frame alignment, and it's the higher time frames. But we need to move to the upside to get a dot. Yeah, we do have that green background. And we know that if we close to the downside, we lose all that. And see, so no chance. Okay, well, our session's coming to an end, the first hour. We did extremely well. And we learned, we got a 13-pip move on the pound Canadian. We got a 35-pip move on the pound yen, and I think we took the 2 small losses here. This was just a potential trade that we just didn't get at 733 for 15 pips. That would have come with an alert. We took a 3-pip loss on the euro yen, and I believe we took a 4-pip on the we took a 4-pip somewhere. I don't know where it was. I can't find it. Let's just look real quickly here. Maybe it was the pound dollar. I think it was the, I think it was the euro dollar. It was a terrible, it was moving really poorly. Yeah, here it is. It was moving terrible. And we still closed on an up close, saved ourselves 3 pips, and you can see that the market is heading right back up. This was just a plain flat out loss on poorly moving market. There's no pivot below us. And once in a while, we're going to get these. Everything was aligned nicely. And, these are the kind of trades that can't be avoided. No system is going to trade with 100% positive predictive value. If we had that, we'd all be in Tahiti owning our own island. But 35-13 and 2 small losers, a 3 and a 4 pip, equal 1 full loss. So that's it for the morning session. Thank you all for coming. I'm going to turn